So we are mapping out what we are going to do for shelves for bins up in our attic. I think we're going to do shelves all along this back wall to hold our bins. So we cut all the boards. Now we are going to assemble.
Yeah, I should go on the X. It's still lined up. Get these started. I thought that I had my measurements right, but apparently they weren't right. Okay, so come towards me. That's an eighth, a little more actually. That's pretty good right there.
Right there?
Yeah, yeah.
We also decided to do 3 sections of these.
That's good. So stand this up to the bottoms. This is where I'm not quite sure how to keep the spacing on the bottoms.
Right.
Alright, do you want to slide that one into action here? We'll do it all over again. How high can we still have room for?
Easy slide.
You probably don't want it to be. That's probably okay. So don't lift it up just a tiny bit more. I'll leave it. Don't move it. Don't move it. Okay.
Measure it up.
Or let's draw a line.
So we're going to measure it so we can do it for all of them.
So you're gonna put it right to the end. And try to line up on that line. If you have to cheat it, yeah, cheat it in.
That's good.
Are you happy with that? You make the tiniest little line. You barely even see it.
I could barely even see like my tape measure and my glasses on. Need my reading glasses on.
Alright, should we do, let's do one in the same opening and let's see how it fits.
Okay.
Grab that back one.
Check it out, make sure it works.
Okay.
So measure half on the other side.
If you want to, how about you mark one in the middle? And then we'll connect one in the middle. How about that?
This board is definitely twisted. That's part of the problem.
You definitely want it to not hang over. So
Yeah.
come towards me.
Alright.
So are you good?
Yeah.
So I think Let's try this, see what this end one looks like now that we've sort of wrapped it better. Look at that, perfect.
Perfect.
So we actually have it sitting on the floor.
Great.
You know, that makes a difference.
Amazing how it makes sense.
Right, so heard it, right?
Yeah, do one side and then.
How's the spacing over there?
Yeah, right there. So now you can put this top ones in. Put some strapping down on the bottom so that way it keeps the spacing on the bottom and it shouldn't get in the way of the bin.
That leg looked the most twisted of any of the legs that I saw.
21 1/8. 20 and a half.
Yeah, it looks like it's in that much. That was what I was thinking. So we need to put something on there too to hold it apart.
We put plywood along the back to help the legs be equal distance from each other.
So I'm gonna line my end up first.
Right, and then we'll match it up.
And I'm only gonna put one in.
I'm gonna get a video of us putting those bins in.
Do it.
So this is the start to organizing our attic and creating a bunch of storage. For now I just put an old piece of plywood on top of this, but we are going to get the nice smooth plywood to put on top of all of them going across, so that way we can also put some stuff, store some stuff on top here. As you can see, the bins fit nicely. They can move around easily. Put them wherever you need to. Good storage solution. Building the second one's a little faster, and it was also the boards were less warped. You can pretty much see it's kind of standing on its own, and we haven't even attached anything. Second one came out better than the first. Isn't that always the way? I think the boards were better though, not as warped. Also, our assembly process was a lot quicker because we knew what we were doing. We're going to build one more of these and then put the tops on all three of them, and then also we need to add strapping like we did in the first one. We just didn't have any more strapping, so we have to go buy some. We used these two pictures to give us our inspiration of our build. As the saying goes, a picture's worth 1,000 words. Or in this case, worth instructions. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.